guys, I'm Matt and we are checking out the Tesla dash pad. This is going to be a carbon fiber look. I just got done installing my carbon fiber center console cover and I'm super excited about it. This is actually a plastic cover as well, and if you'd like to check this out, go ahead and check out my channel for the other video on this. I'll link it down in the description below, and I'll also tell you where you can get both of these things. So let's get to it. All right, right off the bat, I'm super excited. This is just like the other one. This is actually an ABS cover, so it doesn't need to be a vinyl. It's actually just plastic with the double stick tape on the back, which makes it super easy to install. This should go by in no time at all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and test fit these to make sure I've got the right direction on each side. And this one fits nicely here. And this one over here, and it looks perfect. I don't think this can be done any other way. So we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. If you're looking to change the look of your car, or you just want to hide some damage that it has, this is a great way to do it. I actually really do like the wood on here. I think it's kind of cool. When I first saw the Model 3, I didn't like it at all, but you know, since I actually took delivery, it's grown on me. But I went ahead and got this anyway because I want to protect my car, and I also want to keep the look consistent. And this piano black finish had to go. It just took on too many fingerprints and dust and dirt. All right, so we've got that all set up. There was no instructions included in my copy of this, but it looks pretty simple. Again, just a quick test fit here. And I think I actually have this reversed. Let me go put this over here. Yeah, that's much better. So that one goes there. And then let's go ahead and open up this one since I'm on the passenger side. I won't show both of the installs for each side because it's the same, but when I'm done, I'll show you what it looks like as well. All right, so getting started, we're just going to go ahead and wipe down our dash. I've got a clean microfiber rag here with some window cleaner that I sprayed on it before. And it's going to make sure this is clean. And then we're also going to wipe down that side. I'm going to leave that sitting over there. So the trick to peeling these is just to get in the middle with a fingernail, or you could use like a razor blade or something like that too. Just to get it started. So save up some fingernails, or help someone that has fingernails help you out on this one. I love that sound. Perfect. All right, we are ready to go. Oh, hey, this says right side right here. So we are on the correct side for sure. I'm glad I found that because I was a little concerned that they didn't have that. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start on the right side, making sure it's all lined up properly. So that's the most important thing with this. And then we're just gonna drop it in. Perfect, so looking over here, that lines up nicely. And I'm just gonna go ahead and run my finger down the edge of it here. Perfect. And then we're just gonna go ahead and push. That looks really sharp. I love the look of it. Now, one thing I do notice right away is this pattern is actually going the opposite way of this. It'd be kind of cool if both of these were oriented the same way, but overall, this is a really cool look. I love how the black and the gray really play into this here, and this pattern is super nice. It's nice and matte finish too, so it's not going to get scratched up easily. This should be a great addition to my car. Okay, let's hop on the other side and then we'll show you the finished up product once that's installed. All right, and look at that. It is installed now, and man, that looks great. I love how my whole entire car now is black, some silver, and this nice tasteful white right here. This is awesome. Very nice finish on here. It's nice and soft to the touch. There's no glare. Fingerprints aren't an issue as well. I've got matching for the top and bottom. Much less fingerprinting than before. Now, if you have greasy hands, of course you'll have this, but quick trick for that is if you don't have any hand cleaner nearby, just keep some spray away glass cleaner in your car, a microfiber rag. You don't want to do this often, but it can actually be used to wash your hands pretty nicely. At least that's what I do. And that can help keep your car nice and clean if you're having greasy food or something like that. And then also, if you get any bird poop on your car, it's nice to have this as a quick fix as well. Well, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please click thumbs up and hit subscribe. I could really appreciate the support. I'll have a link in the description where you can find this product and many more. And up next, we're going to be reviewing a air mattress that fits right in the back of this car, so you can go camping and you can use the camp mode and really enjoy a good night's sleep in this car. And then we're also going to be reviewing many more products, so please stick around and check out the other videos I have, and I wish you the best and enjoy your Tesla.